A is for avocet. Avocet. B is for bunting. The bunting. C is for chickadee. Chickadee. D is for duck. Duck. E is for eagle. Eagle. F is for finch. The finch. G is for gullah. Gullah. H is for heron. Heron. I is for ibis. Ibis. J is for jay. Jay. K is for kingfisher. Kingfisher. L is for loon. Loon. M is for macaw. Macaw. N is for nuthatch. Nuthatch. O is for owl. Owl. P is for penguin. Penguin. Q is for quetzal. Quetzal. R is for robin. Robin. S is for spoonbill. Spoonbill. T is for titmouse. Titmouse. U is for umbrella bird. Umbrella bird. V is for vulture. The vulture. W is for woodpecker. Woodpecker. X is for xenops. Xenops. Y is for yellowthroat. Yellowthroat. Z is for zebrafinch. Zebrafinch.